Garland, Texas General Repair Bond. What is Garland, Texas General Repair Bond? The Garland, Texas General Repair Bond is a type of surety bond required for businesses or contractors performing general repair work within the city. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will follow all local laws, building codes, and permit regulations. The bond protects the public and the city from losses due to poor workmanship, property damage, or non-compliance. Why is Garland, Texas General Repair Bond required? The City of Garland requires this bond to ensure that repair contractors operate responsibly and uphold public safety standards. It helps the city enforce compliance with municipal ordinances and ensures contractors fulfill their obligations. This requirement builds trust between contractors, clients, and the city by holding contractors financially accountable. How Garland, Texas General Repair Bond work? When a contractor obtains the bond, a surety company guarantees the city that the contractor will comply with all applicable laws and codes. If the contractor violates these terms or causes damages, the city or affected party may file a claim against the bond. The surety may compensate for valid claims, but the contractor must repay the surety for any paid losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.